friends, welcome to this new video. In this video I'll tell you about a drive-in beach opportunity in Udupi. Karnataka as such doesn't have a drive-in beach. Kerala has near Kannur, right, a long stretch of 2-3 kilometers where you can drive on your car and bike, but there are no such designated spaces in Karnataka. But near Udupi, right opposite Malpe Seawork, there is a Padukere beach, and I find that this is very suitable for conversion into a drive-in beach. The sand is strong enough to support a vehicle. I drove my bike on it, there was no challenges. I think it will sustain a car, that authorities have to check. But otherwise, it's a very good opportunity to convert it into a drive-in beach and invite more tourists into this spot. Watch out my video, see how long it is, how it goes. Right, only challenge right now is the entry and exit points. The sand is too soil where you enter this beach, so these authorities can fix it. They can make a nice entry and exit point. They can probably put a ticketing on top of it, right, provide some extra services like a towing vehicle if something gets stuck. But I think it's a very good opportunity. Let me know what you think. Thank you.